Alright, so this is how you turn your phone into a CCTV camera. Now, with this topic or with this lesson, we need two phones. So on my left is my iPhone, and then on my right is my Android phone. So you need to download the app called Alfred Camera. So you can see it on my iPhone, Alfred Camera, and then on the Android phone you can also see it from this angle, Alfred Camera. So you launch both apps. So after launching both apps, make sure you log in with the same Google account on both apps. That is on both of the phone. Log in with the same email. So on the iPhone, let me show you this quickly. So on the iPhone, you can see over here I logged in with Dzade08@gmail.com, and then on the Android phone I logged in with the same email, Dzade@google.com. So on the iPhone is our camera, and then on the Android is the viewer option. You can see you can switch from viewer to camera, and also on the iPhone you can switch from camera to viewer. But because the iPhone has good camera quality, you should use the iPhone as the camera and then the Android as the viewer. So immediately you log in with the same email, you can see on the Android phone that there is a live camera on. So you just have to click on the live camera. So immediately you click on it, you see connecting, and then you see the both phones has been connected. So now here is the iPhone as the camera. So you can set it somewhere. And then you find everything you record. You understand? Everything you record. So you can leave this in your room, and then you go out with the Android phone. And everything will be recorded. So on the iPhone there is a feature called motion detect. So you can click on motion detect, and immediately something walk passes the iPhone camera, the Android phone will be notified. Yes. So this is motion detect on. You can see it has been notified that there is a motion detected. You understand? So this is very simple, and you can do this to an iPhone and then a laptop, or an Android and a laptop. You can do that. So if you have anything to add up to this video, you can quickly drop it in the comment section. Or if you don't understand anything in this video, just feel free to text me on my WhatsApp line on the screen. So just dial my WhatsApp line on the screen and then text me up, and I'll take you through the process very, very well if you don't understand anything over here. Thank you for watching this video.